In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva AI image generator. For beginners, whether you are starting from scratch or enhancing an existing project, this will help you turn simple ideas into polished visuals in minutes. First, open Canva and either create a new design with the size you need or open an existing one. Beginning inside a design is helpful because the image you generate can drop right onto your canvas and fit into your layout immediately. Next, let's open the AI image generator. You can get to it in two simple ways. From the editor toolbar, click Apps, then choose Magic Media and select Images. Or, if you prefer, open the Elements panel and scroll until you find the AI image generator option there. Both paths take you to the same place, so use whichever is quicker for you. You'll see a text box where you describe the image you want. Be specific and clear. Mention the subject, what it's doing, the setting, the colors, and the overall mood. For example, a futuristic city at sunset, cyberpunk style, neon lights. The more details you provide, like lighting, perspective, or atmosphere, the more accurate the result will be. If you have a purpose in mind, such as a banner or a social post, it can help to note orientation or framing in your description. Before generating, open the Style panel. Here you can pick an aesthetic like photorealistic for lifelike images, cartoon for playful, bold shapes, or watercolor for a soft painterly feel. You can also choose from preset styles that bundle looks and settings for you. Selecting the right style tells the generator how to interpret your prompt, guiding textures, colors, and overall finish. When you are ready, click Generate. Canva will create several image options based on your prompt and style. Take a moment to preview them. If one stands out, click it to add it to your design. If none are quite right, adjust your description, maybe refine the mood, specify a camera angle, or tweak colors and generate again until it matches your vision. Once your chosen image is on the canvas, customize it with Canva's editing tools. Use background remover to isolate your subject or to blend it with other elements. Apply filters to fine-tune color and contrast for a cohesive look. Try Magic Edit to replace or enhance parts of the image without starting over. Subtle adjustments often make the biggest difference, so refine until it feels consistent with your overall design. And that's it. Thanks for watching.